Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of trucking and logistics. Today, we're diving into the differences between trucking in the USA and Europe. From regulations to infrastructure, we'll take a look at how these two regions compare and contrast. So sit back, grab a cup of coffee, and join us as we explore the unique challenges and opportunities of truck. First, let's talk about the manufacturing companies. Some well-known European truck manufacturers are DAF Trucks, Volvo Trucks, Scania, Mercedes-Benz Trucks, MAN Trucks, Renault Trucks, Iveco, Daimler Trucks. On the other hand, major American truck manufacturers includes Freightliner Trucks, a division of Daimler Trucks North America, International Trucks, a division of Navistar International, Kenworth Trucks, Peterbilt Trucks, Mack Trucks, a division of Volvo Group, Ford Trucks, a division of Ford Motor West.
Now let's talk about the engines first. Let's take a look at European truck engines. These engines are typically smaller in size, and are designed to be more efficient and fuel efficient. They often use advanced technologies like turbocharging and direct injection to boost performance and reduce emissions. European engines also tend to have a higher power-to-weight ratio, which means they can produce more power while using less fuel. On the other hand, American truck engines are generally larger and more powerful. They are designed to handle heavy loads and long hauls, and often feature a V8 or V10 design. American engines also tend to be more durable and reliable, making them a popular choice for commercial trucking and construction applications. When it comes to fuel efficiency, European engines tend to have the edge. They are designed to be more efficient and use less fuel, which can result in significant cost savings over time. However, American engines are often more powerful, which can be a major advantage when hauling heavy loads. In conclusion, both European and American truck engines have their own unique set of pros and cons. European engines are generally more efficient and fuel efficient, while American engines are more powerful and durable. Ultimately, the best choice for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Thanks for watching.
Now take a look at laws and regulations. The European Union has a number of laws and regulations in place to govern the operation of trucks within its member states. Some of the key regulations include type approval. All new types of trucks and buses must be type approved by the EU before they can be sold or registered in any of the member states. This ensures that they meet certain safety, environmental, and technical standards. Periodic roadworthiness testing. All trucks and buses must undergo regular roadworthiness testing to ensure that they are safe to operate on the road. The frequency of these tests varies depending on the age of the vehicle. Emissions standards. The EU has established a number of emissions standards that trucks and buses must meet in order to be operated on the road. These standards are designed to reduce the amount of pollutants that are released into the air by diesel engines. Working Time Directive. The EU has put in place regulations to limit the working hours of truck drivers. The aim is to reduce the risk of fatigue-related accidents and to improve the working conditions of drivers. Driver training. The EU has established a minimum level of training that truck drivers must complete before they can operate a vehicle. This includes both theoretical and practical training. Tachograph. All trucks and buses must be fitted with a tachograph, which is a device that records the time that the vehicle is in use, the distance covered, and the speed at which it is driven. Road safety. The EU is making efforts to improve road safety by implementing regulations. Now we will take a look at weight carrying capacity. When it comes to hauling heavy loads, American trucks reign supreme. With a weight carrying capacity of up to 80,000 pounds, these trucks are built to handle the toughest loads on the road. But in Europe, things are a bit different. Due to regulations, the weight carrying capacity of EU trucks is limited to just 44,000 pounds. While this may seem like a significant difference, it's important to remember that these limits are in place to ensure the safety of both drivers and the general public. However, Even with these weight limitations, EU trucks are still able to handle large loads, thanks to advances in technology and engineering. European manufacturers have focused on creating more efficient vehicles that can handle a higher payload per trip, rather than simply increasing the overall weight capacity. So whether you're hauling heavy loads across the United States or Europe, rest assured that there are trucks on the road capable of handling the job. Both American and EU trucks are designed to provide reliable and safe transportation for goods around the world. Remember, safety always comes first on the road. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.